Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of your internet speed limitation. As I don't know if you knew or not, but Windows is coming with a bandwidth limitation to 80%. So you are not using your internet speed at maximum potential. So let's see together how you get rid of this limitation. First, you go to Windows search here and type run. You will find here on left the run application. Click on it to run it. When run it's opening, you're gonna type here gpedit gpedit.msc and press OK. New window is gonna open and let's leave it small. Under computer configuration, you go to administrative templates. Click 2 times on it to open it. Under administrative templates, go down to network. Click 1 time on network. So under administrative templates, click on network 1 time. On the right side here, search for QoS packet schedule. You see it, you have it here, and open it. On the QoS packet scheduler, you have limit reservable bandwidth that you have to open. And here, if you see bandwidth limit, it's by default from Windows limited to 80%. So you are only using 20% of your maximum internet capacity bandwidth. Move it down to 0, so you're not gonna have a limit, and press apply. After that, press OK, close this, and there are 2 more things you have to do before. Go again to Windows search and press disk cleanup. Disk cleanup. If you only press D and I, it's gonna appear disk cleanup. Select it, press 1 time OK, and 1 more time OK. Are you sure you permanently delete those files? Sure, delete. And it's cleaning all your browser unnecessary items. Now all you have to do is restart your computer, and you're gonna use your maximum capacity of bandwidth. If you find this useful, write down in the comment what was the difference for you. For me, it was very big difference. You can make a speed test before and after, and you're gonna notice a very big increase to your internet speed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.